What's up, guys? This is Drive With Me with another 4K video, and today is, I don't know which days we are, so we are in quarantine and I cannot go out, just driving and shopping inside of car, isolated. But guess what? Still we can drive, we can go places and video for you guys. This is great actually opportunity because I'm not contact with any person. Hopefully you guys are safe everywhere in the world you are, so stay at home, wash your hand, and very careful, guys. Now I'm driving Glendale, and I'm going to take you to Eagle Rock. Eagle Rock is the neighborhood of Glendale. Is kind of become very hot spot. Used to be a bad area, like a gang people over there, and different gang. But recently, last 10 years, Eagle Rock became very popular because it's very close to everywhere. It's kind of like Silver Lake. I just want to say thank you guys for watching my other video 2 days ago, Silver Lake, and with all your thumbs up and love, actually more people can see my videos. I love you guys, and this is not my channel, this is your channel, and anything you're doing is doing for you guys, and I'm just a small part of this. So guys, thank you so much. So let's go and see Eagle Rock, and thumbs up to this video, and also subscribe if you're not. And if you want to know more about Eagle Rock, go and read description and leave a comment. So let me know where you want to go and see next, and I will take you there. Okay guys, let's go and see 4K video on Eagle Rock, Los Angeles. Thank you guys. Guys, let me take you some of the resident area. This is the main street of Eagle Rock. Let's go just see the residents here. It's beautiful, guys. That's so cool here. On the hills, lots of houses on the hills, so you have to go up on the hills with stairs. Let me take you from here. It's kind of like Silver Lake, guys. Let's take you this side. It's quiet. Look at these mountains here. Beautiful. Okay guys, hope you liked this video. Thank you so much guys for your thumbs up, and wait for another video. Just comment below if you wanna see somewhere in Los Angeles and I can drive you there. Thank you guys, I love you and take care and be safe. God bless you guys. See you later. Bye.